India's zero is nothing without symmetry. Asymmetric arithmetic is out, symmetric Podometic is in. Namaste. Why is 0 after 9 on your keyboard? 0 has 1 either side. West and east are opposite sides of 0, and lines of unit lengths called 1 extend from 0. Magnitudes are marked with cumulative counts of units. In 1685, John Wallace moved from 0 5 yards east, then moved 8 yards west to arrive at 3 west. He travelled 3 west from 0, yet strangely said he'd advanced 3 yards less than nothing. That's the reason people say negatives are less than 0. Yet the universe is made from quantities of matter and energy, and these quantities are measured with unitized magnitudes and multitudes. You cannot have a quantity of energy or matter less than nothing. You cannot have a magnitude less than nothing. Just after John Wallace, Isaac Newton said, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. 1 negative electron and 1 positive positron sum to 0. Wow! Ignoring the genius of Indian astronomers, Western arithmetic evolved from ancient Greek foundations without 0. Nobody knew. In 628 CE, Brahmagupta saw 0's 18 Sutras of Symmetry, yet his laws of 0 were not followed in the Arabic world. So the maths the British Empire spread failed to reveal India's true 0 and how to use it to make maths simple. That's why many explanations of maths have been wrong for centuries. Sensing this, Jonathan J. Crabtree set out to make maths explanations agree with physical laws. So, 0 is nothing without symmetry, and the era of arithmetic is over. Now, India must demand better Bharatiya maths. Sri Narendra Modi ji can make India a Vishwaguru again. Thank you. Please visit podometic.in and share if you care.